Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you the basics of making music using Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like when you open up a new project, and from here you can do a couple of different things. Firstly, you can just press the record button, however, that won't record anything since you need to add new tracks. And I'll be showing you how to do that in just a second, but before I do, let me just mention that you also have the option to turn on and modify the metronome, as well as the time signature, the BPM, and everything you want to have in the options for the metronome to help you with actually recording music or recording your singing or whatever it is that you're recording. It can be a very good tool for assisting, and it can be used to also make sure that you're on beat. For example, piano playing, which you can also do using the virtual instruments. But for example, let me add two tracks. I'll add a voice audio and a virtual instrument track. Now, if I go into voice audio here, when you open up auto pitch, you can set up auto pitch, you can add effects, you can edit it however you want. For example, region gain, I'll just, well, I can't modify it now. I'm pretty sure I need to actually add a track to this, but let's record some voice. For example, if I want to record in the voice audio, all I have to do is press the red record button, and after a few seconds I can start talking, and as you can see, it is recording my voice. Now when I actually stop the recording, you'll see the voice is a bit too quiet for my liking. I can just pump up the region gain, and now I could play it back and it'll be louder. Now if I play it back for you guys, you won't be able to hear anything because I disabled my desktop sounds on my recording software, but that is pretty much the gist of it. As you can see, the sound waves are bigger, which means that they are louder. You can also correct the pitch shift or add a pitch shift if you want. You can make it higher pitch or lower pitch depending on what you want. You can also modify the playback rate, make it play slower or faster depending on your wishes. Now for instruments, you can bring this up and you can choose the keyboard that you wish. You have a lot of keyboards here. You have 808s, keyboards, guitars, organs. You can add whatever you want. And if I press the recording button after a 2-second delay, I can then start playing and just clicking around. I could also use my keyboard for this, and when I stop, as you can see, it has created some keys. Now if I click on this and go into the MIDI editor, I can edit it from here. I can select the notes from here and quantize the notes that I want, or I can right click here and click quantize to a certain time signature. I can also transpose, analyze the region, export the region, rename the region, and do whatever I want with it. And that is just some things that you can do in Bandlab. I'll leave the rest to you. That is pretty much what you need to get started. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.